Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung hindi pa kayo nakakapag-subscribe, just click the subscription button and also don't forget to click the notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. So in this video, we will going to talk about the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme. This is a brief explanation lang ha. So if you are an aspiring candidate of Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme or you just planning to be one, please stay dahil para sa inyo ang videos na to.
So without further ado, let's get started!
The Girl Scout of the Philippines launched the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme in July 1976. Yes, for over 44 years, there are thousands of senior and cadet Girl Scouts have worked on this scheme and awarded the Chief Girl Scout Medal. Not just a medal, but also a position pin. So what does the Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme all about? The Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme highlights the role of the Girl Scouts in nation building, as exemplified by the Girl Scout and her distinguished leadership and vital contribution to nation building. In short, you will look for your community and identify its issue. What your community needs, what is the problem of your community, and when you identify that, think for ways or plan for ways to address the community problem. This is not just ay mag-project lang pala, ay ganyan lang pala, ay madali lang pala. No. This was a year-long project that would entail not just passion, but also hard work and real commitment. While working on your project, you will meet challenges, struggles, and failures. This is not to encourage you, ha? But this is the part of your journey na hindi talaga maiiwasan. May nagtatanong sa akin for tips to become a Chief Girl Scout medalist. My number one tip talaga is to have determination. Because your motivation will help you to fulfill your dream and will motivate you to work harder. The Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme recognizes senior and cadet Girl Scouts who meet the criteria for outstanding service to their community. It is built on the Girl Scouts concept of developing the total girl, making her well-rounded in all aspects: spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, and social. Its main emphasis is on the girl's discipline, perseverance, and the development of her sense of responsibility toward herself and the community. While the standards of achievement are necessary, there is no competition with others. Each girl is judged according to her individual ability and leadership capabilities. Under the Girl Scout of the Philippines Charter Ed 267, the woman president of the Philippines or the First Lady should be the Chief Girl Scout of Girl Scout of the Philippines. But since Duterte doesn't have the, official wife, we don't have the First Lady and the Chief Girl Scout of the Philippines. That's why we have Catherine Bernardo as the Girl Scout of the Philippines Ambassadress. Just wanna share, the Chief Girl Scout awardees last 2018 was so lucky kasi andon si Tita Kat. Last year kasi wala siya and everyone was expecting her to be there. I'm also expected that. Nag-expect ka kasi kaya ka nasasaktan. Chief Girl Scout Medal Scheme have 4 community development projects. The first one is ecology. When we talk about ecology, it is all about constructing, for example, MRF. That's a common project. Another is beautification. For example, planting, painting, decorating, and whatsoever. And also renovations. Any renovations, constructing, and beautifications will do. Just make sure na makakatulong o magagamit ito ng community mo. The second one is livelihood. It focuses on skills. You will make or teach your community ng kanilang mapagkakakitaan. Some examples are candle making, soap making, food production, sewing, poultry, hog raising, and many more. Third is health. It's a help that you could do to your community or barangay. This is through mass feeding, healthcare monitoring, personal hygiene education, fitness program, everything that is connected to health. The last one is cultural heritage. This focuses on appreciation and promotion of Filipino cultures and traditions, more on preservation of history. It depends on you kung anong community development project ang pipiliin mo. Just make sure that your community or barangay ay makakabenepisyo. Just focus on what they need. What help would you give para mabigay ang mga needs nila? Ganun lang. So before I end this video, shout out muna tayo. Shout out kay Jillian Rose Tutor, Jazal May Badyang, Benz Yuzel Claveria, and that's all for today. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.